In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a landing page on Systeme.io. If you've ever wondered how to create a landing page using this platform, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you step by step. So let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is to open your web browser and log into your Systeme.io account using your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, we'll navigate to your dashboard. From there, you'll notice a tab on the left-hand side labeled Sites. Give that a click. Under the Sites section, you'll find the option labeled Sales Funnels. Go ahead and click on that as well. Now comes the fun part, creating your landing page. You'll see a button that says Create. Click on it, and the system will prompt you to name your new landing page. Selecting a clear and descriptive name can be really helpful, especially as you manage and track multiple pages over time. Once you've settled on a name, you'll need to choose from 4 different options available. These options generally correspond to different types of goal-based funnels, like collecting emails or selling products. Pick the one that aligns most closely with your intended use for this landing page. After making your selections, don't forget to hit Save. This step will lock in your choices and direct you to your new funnel area. Now you'll see your newly created funnel listed along with all of its details. Click on the funnel to proceed to the next step. In this phase, it's time to pick a template for your landing page. Systeme.io offers a variety of pre-designed templates to help you get started. These templates serve as a great foundation, especially if you're new to design or don't want to start from scratch. Browse through the options and choose the one that resonates with your brand and your goals. Once you've selected your template, it's on to the creative part of the process. Click on Edit Page to enter the page editor. This is your canvas where you can add text, images, videos, buttons, and more to customize your landing page. This is where your vision comes to life. Take your time exploring the features and settings available to you. It's a user-friendly interface, so don't be afraid to experiment. You can always tweak and adjust until it looks just right. And remember, simplicity and clarity often yield the best results, as visitors should immediately understand your message and the action you want them to take. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create and publish a landing page on Systeme.io. So go ahead, try it out for yourself, and unleash your creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below with any questions, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.